Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're doing another taste test, and yeah, it's another flavor of Oreo cookies. So, but hey, I like Oreos, and these flavors are getting good. So what we got here is the chocolate marshmallows. I imagine these might taste a little bit like the s'mores. These are chocolate though. So we'll give it a try. And so if you haven't checked out my s'mores Oreos video, I'll try to put a link down below, or a card up the top here. Alright, well, we're gonna get these. I found these at the store the other day, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, give them a try. Alright, here we go. Nice design on there, and as you can see, it's chocolate icing. So in the middle, this smells like an Oreo cookie. So here's my milk. We'll dip it in the milk here, and we'll see how these taste. Okay, these are okay, and don't really, they don't really have a flavor to them. Almost like you just taste the cookie. I can't even have any hint of a marshmallow flavor. And I mean, a regular Oreo almost tastes better than this, so that's a go with the regular Oreo instead of this one. But it's edible. There's nothing to write home about. Okay. Oh, this was a chocolate marshmallow Oreo. They're okay. I'll finish eating this pack at some point, or have somebody share a pack with me. Alright, well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do taste test videos like this. I also do a cooking video on Saturdays, and do some regular vlogs, some adventure and sightseeing type stuff as well. If you haven't, just go ahead and subscribe. And alright, well, and remember to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you, and I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna eat a couple more since they're here. I also had one that didn't even have any cream to it, it's just the cookies. So, alright, well, I'll see you guys later.